Assalamu alaikum students. Today's lecture is about apoptosis and necrosis. It is the last topic for chapter number 5, that is cell cycle. So firstly we will see that what is apoptosis. Apoptosis is a type of cell death which occurs to kill all the unwanted, old and destroyed cells. It is actually a programmed cell death, which means that all the events leading to the cell death are programmed. It occurs in multicellular organisms and it is more sequential than necrosis. Now we will see how apoptosis occurs. First of all, the cell shrinks due to the breakdown of cytoskeleton, and secondly, the chromatin condenses, then the membrane starts blebbing and the organelles start to disintegrate. After that, the nucleus and the organelles collapse, the apoptotic bodies are formed. Then the macrophages, they phagocytose the apoptotic bodies, and as a result no inflammation is produced. Secondly, if we talk about necrosis, then it is a form of cell death which is less sequential than apoptosis. It results in premature death of cells by autolysis. It is caused by external factors such as cells or tissue injury, cancer infections, or maybe some toxins produced in the body such as spider bites. Now, how necrosis occurs? The cells and the organelles shrink and the membrane starts to disintegrate. The lysosomal enzymes that are present inside the cell break the cellular components, and as a result the harmful chemicals release, and they are released out of the cell, which can harm other cells as well. Now if we talk about the comparison, or we compare the apoptosis and necrosis, then we can say that in case of necrosis the cell volume increases, and in apoptosis the cell shrinks due to the breakdown of cytoskeleton and due to the breakdown of organelles. Secondly, the plasma membrane integrity is also lost in case of necrosis, while in case of apoptosis we saw that the plasma membrane starts blebbing. Thirdly, the cellular contents leak out of the necrosis in case of necrosis, and they harm other cells which are present surrounding it. But in case of apoptosis, apoptotic bodies are formed which do not kill or harm the other nearby cells. That was all for the today's topic. Thank you.